Hello. So today is the Fitchburg Public Library Bilingual Community Resource Fair, and we have, I think, 17 different community service providers who are here offering help in the areas of housing, food security, childcare, all other kind of social service issues. And we also have Munch Mobile Meals from the River Food Pantry, and they are serving some free lunch as part of their mobile meals program. I'm the outreach librarian, and so when I go out in the community, I'm always trying to help people with literacy and other library-related ideas. But beyond that, we are also out there just to help people with resources. And a lot of these people and organizations that came today are part of different organizations that I partner with, because when we do things together, it's much more effective. And we know that people always need help. And we thought this would be a good way to show people what the library is all about, along with getting them here so that they can get the information that they need. So today we have 4C, which deals with helping people find childcare, along with training people to provide different childcare programs. And then we also have joining forces for families who they will help people find childcare resources. Other childcare resources we have today is RISE. They provide programs that are in the Fitchburg neighborhood early childhood zone. We have Moving Out and Homebuyers Roundtable. They provide information about securing housing, whether you're buying a house or trying to find one where you can live. And then we even have our own information here today. Behind me, we have a display of books, which is for English language learners, for people who speak Spanish and are wanting to learn English. We have a collection that just helps you start to learn things without having to take a class. It's kind of a first step. Our community is so multilingual. However, Spanish is one of the most spoken languages, and we need to be able to communicate and meet people where they're at. And so that is why I asked all our organizations if they had people who spoke Spanish to come, or at least provide their resources in multiple languages, so that we're able to meet everybody with how they communicate. So yeah, this is the first time we've tried to hold an event like this at the library that I am aware of. In the future, I might take this outside the library as part of our outreach once we have a space to hold it in. The city has done other outreach events like this. The police department has National Night Out or Community Night Out, which also has a big resource fair component to it. So I'm hoping to bring more programs like this out of the library when the city is building a neighborhood hub. I'm hoping that this might provide a space to be in the community where people are, and that way it's just easy for them to get there. They can take the bus, they can walk. So that would be a goal in the future. So if they missed out, the neighborhood navigators for the city of Fitchburg are at various community events in the early childhood zone, which is now the whole entire city. I'm also out in the community during the summer where we coordinate with Munch Mobile Meals at their Fitchburg stops. And I have kind of a binder of community resources that we can provide, but also many of these organizations have their own information on the website. A good place to start would be United Way and 211. They are kind of your first stop to help you connect with resources for your specific needs. And they're here today, but they will really help you get where you need to go. I mean, I'm looking forward to being outside this summer. The library loves to be outside and spread information about library programs. Like I said, we're going to partner with Munch Mobile Meals, and then we'll have some pop-up libraries in Southdale Park. And also we will be collaborating with other organizations, including the city, and when they offer their own resource fairs and outreach events.